citizens of Oklahoma contact my office every day with different complaints, and we register them, log them, respond. And when we saw an abundance of complaints about State Farm and other carriers, we opened up an investigation, and we saw, interestingly, a litigant files an action against State Farm. In a matter of months, it's settled and sealed. Well, there's something going on here. So we dove deeper, utilizing the rights that I have as Attorney General to issue demands for information. And we've concluded that there is something wrong at State Farm. It appears as though we know empirically that Oklahomans are paying almost twice the national average with property and casualty insurance. We also have observed that the claims paid by State Farm are about 50% of what they used to be. Now, there's a correlation there. And so as we go deeper into it, it appears as though there is truly an illicit scheme to deprive Oklahomans of the benefit of their insurance. And that is a consumer protection issue for all of Oklahoma, and I am the advocate for Oklahomans.